Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Justin Sani here again with another video. In this video, we're going to be going over a trade we took on AUD/USD. This trade gave us a 1-to-6 risk to reward. Amazing opportunity. It was a trade that we shared for our premium Discord group. And a lot of the members, they liked the real version of the video. They said, hey, Justin, can you make a longer version, breaking it down step by step? And what we want to do is we want to just break it down step by step for y'all, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and hop on the charts. We're going to go ahead and look at what happened on this AUD/USD trade. We're going to break it down so you guys watching at home can learn and try to duplicate the strategy for your own, right? So with that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and hop on the charts. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to break this down. So AUD/USD was a trade that we took off of the 5 and the 15-minute time frame, right? So once again, we took this off of the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. Now, this is a trade where we took advantage of our Asian range, right? You guys have been following the channel. You know that during London session, we like to take Asian range breakout trades. So what is an Asian range breakout trade? The first thing you got to do is just identify where the Asian range is, right? Asian range is at the end of the FX day, and it starts roughly in this time window here, right? So this is the Asian range. This is the window of Asian range. Depending on where you're at, I'm in Los Angeles right now. So Asian range is roughly 1400, so 2 p.m. in LA to about 2200 being about 10 p.m. in LA. Cross-reference that to wherever you live in the world. But the Asian range is just this time frame right here. You can very simply find an indicator that goes over the Asian range. You can mark it off yourself. I recommend marking it off yourself. If you're in a different time zone, let's say example, you're in New York, that Asian range is going to be from 1700 to 1 a.m., right? So regardless of it, this is the Asian range, right? Out of Asian range, what we like to do is we like to look for a few key different things, right? One of those things is going to be either to take out the low or the high of the range. And then from there, there's only a few different things that we like to see happen, right? What you guys have to understand is in London session, majority of the volatility that comes into the market is coming into the market right at London open. So let's take some notes real quick. Majority, can't spell, volume for London session starts at the open. So what does this mean? It means that when you're trading London session, you want to get there a little bit before London session really starts so you can clearly see what's happening within the range. So for us, what we see is that price was building up and then it came through and it spiked through the highs, right? Now, as it spiked through this highs, what we have to think is that the basic retail traders, what are they doing right now? They are taking positions. They have buy stops up above these highs. They have buy stops, and they're going to try to swing these trades up and up and up and up. So what we have to factor in is the people that manipulate the market, whether that's the market maker, whether that's the algorithm, whether it's the central bank algo, whether it's the Enigma, whether it's the composite operator, whatever you're going to say. I've seen hundreds of trading videos. I see hundreds of traders calling the same thing something different. Doesn't matter what it is. Regardless, all you got to understand is that majority of retail traders are going to be buying here to try to one, they're going to be buying here to simply catch out a breakout trade, right? Breakout trade means it breaks the high. They think it's going to keep riding. So what happens is buyers come in and they get enticed to go up, right? Then you have the double top guys who are selling here, and then their stop losses are getting up here as well. So you got to think of the retail concepts and where retail is trading and what's going on with that, right? So once again, we have the high of Asia getting taken out, right? Now, once we have the high of Asia getting taken out, we got to look at the key points in structure, right? We have this low that put in this high. We have this higher low and this higher low. We can consider this a higher low as well. That put in this highest high. Now, in the sense of our range, we're trading from this low to this high, and this is what we like to call our structural range. And really, all that means is that price should continue being bullish. But what happens is eventually we see a shift of momentum, or as many of you guys like to call it, a change of character, right? I know a lot of people like calling it that. I call this a reversal BOS. You can call this a change of character, or I'm going to put SOM, shift of momentum, right? So that's that. Now, this indicates that price is changing its overall direction. So now what I did was I was surfing through the different time frames, surfing. I was going to make a Beyonce joke. You know, she says surfboard in that song. Yeah. But corny jokes aside, we're surfing the time frames. And what we did is we ended up finding this institutional candle on this specific time frame, which was the 15-minute, right? Now that we found that, what we wanted to do is we wanted to take an entry roughly right here with the stops at the high. And then we wanted to just simply go for this low, right? We had a downside target of this low, and that's where we wanted to see price kind of head to, was that low. Let me just make sure that's perfect. That low there. And then what we did is we went back to our lower time frame, and then we waited. This is where you sit on your hands, right? Go ahead, sit on your hands just like that. You want to sit on your hands and you want to wait, because 9 times out of 10, what traders do is they're not patient, right? Patience pays. So what happened? We had our entry zone, right? Entry zone was up in this range. And then we had a refined entry too. I think it was 3 minute, maybe 5. Regardless of that, this was the entry that we wanted, right? And we took. And from there, what we did is we let the trade run its course. And as you guys see, we could have refined it a little bit more to the open of this candle. This would have gotten us an even better risk reward with like 2-3 pip stop. But it's okay. You don't got to be 100% perfect every time you're trading. But what this ended up doing was it gave us a trade. It took us all the way to our TP, and we took out the low, and then we had a reversal back up, and our trade was done. Our members were happy. They cashed in, they cashed out, and it was a beautiful day. And just so y'all can get a little view of how that worked out, this was the original signal in the chat, and this was our original trade, right? Price was down here. We wanted to see it pull back into this zone and then go lower. 1, break a structure. 2, entry zone. 3, target. 4, we had some divergence. So many things lined up to give us a perfect grade A plus setup, right? So guys, with that being said, this was a quick breakdown of a trade that gave us a 1-to-6 RR. And these are trades that you guys can take advantage of when you join our premium Discord. And not only that, but we also give away trades for free in just our overall Discord community. So family, make sure you join. The links are in the description. It's 100% free to join the community. We're doing weekly community outlook calls. We're doing some weekly community live trading sessions as well. We're going to keep bringing more and more value. I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please, if you're enjoying it, if you're learning, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow our Instagram page, join the free Telegram. We're going to be giving so much free value. And we hope to see you eventually in our community and in our close friends and in our premium groups, right? So that being said, family, we're going to see you guys from the top. Hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown once again. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go!